Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tovin, and today we're gonna build the most weird XP farm that we'll see on live. So this XP farm uses the armadillos, the most famous armadillos, and we gonna use the armadillos to take damage, and we put on them infestation potion, right? And this damage will cause us to spawn silver fishes, and those silver fishes we're gonna hit them, kill them, and get all the XP. So this is a pretty cheap farm. Alright, it's not hard to build, and you just need the armadillos, fire camps, and some blocks to build. Here I'm going to use the glasses. Why glasses? Because the silverfishes do not enter inside glasses, they will enter in some other natural blocks like dirt or stone mainly. So here I'm doing some decoration here, right, with quartz and the glasses, but all the farm you can build with just glasses. That's not hard to do, you just need burn the sand. Alright, so as you can see, I built this square and I'm putting here some glasses. Will be the place that will hit the silver fishes, and you can make in any size that you want. You just need to get in mind the place for armadillos and fire camps. As you can see, I put some logs in the middle of the farm. In this place we will put the fire camps to damage the armadillos. Something nice about armadillos that the armadillos have those, like, I don't know how to say, the shelf, some shield. When they are roll up, they don't take damage. So when they roll up, when they are scared, so we're gonna use a zombie to scare them, and this will not kill them. So I will close this part with glasses and use the fire camps in the middle. So as you can see, it's just 6 fire camps. For first, we're gonna remove these logs below, just because we're gonna put some water below the fire camps, and this will make the silver fishes flow into the place that we hit. So let's turn off those fire camps and use the water in this side. So then the silver fishes will come to this corner, and we put some water in this little hole there because we need an armor stand. So this armor stand will create some sort of bug or glitch, I don't know how to say. We're gonna put the armor stand and the water, so when you hit the armor stand, will cause some damage on the silver fishes. This is like something sweeping edge. If you enchant your sword with sweeping edge, the effectiveness of the farm will increase a lot, right? So I put it here, more glasses and some logs just for measurement here. I want to see how it would be. So this will be the place that we gonna put the zombie. This is a nice place. So we need a boat to put the zombie there, and for the zombie doesn't actually be killed or disappear, you need to put him in a boat, right? But if you put a etiquette, like a tag, right, a tag in the zombie will not disappear. So that's what we want. We need the zombie. We can actually use old armor to drop the old armor for the zombie. Will be good, but the best way will be certainly the tag. Alright, it's not too hard to find a tag in Minecraft. Even you have some mods, some of those mods have a recipe for the tag. So I put in here some slabs just for decoration. Right, you can just leave as it is, but if you put a slab, it will be good. Put some lights here. Right, let's finish the decoration here. As you can see, I have some other constructions around here. This is for my other tutorials. You can go into my channel and watch them. They will be pretty useful to your survival world. So I'm doing here some decorations, just like some sort of warning in this place. And I getting this concrete, the black concrete and the yellow concrete, to make this warning section here. I think will be a good decoration though. Just put over here and put in the right way the boat. That's it. So you can dig one more level there, like 3. That will be good. That's what I'm going to do, but not now. So here, as you can see, I have a chicken farm that I made for my last videos. I will get some of those glowberries to make this decoration, just a little, just for the beginning of the farm. I don't want to use a lot of stuffs here. So this part is pretty important, put some trapdoors there, because the trapdoors are more like fake blocks. So this is important to make the zombie fall there. So for the armadillos, you can use a spider eye to breed them. So let's attract them to this little hole. So as you can see, use the spider eye to breed them, and you need something around 20 armadillos for the farm. That's the maximum. And this will be pretty good. Actually, it's it's too much. It's sufficient. So it's exactly what we need. So I'll put here 20 armadillos. Don't forget about the 20 is the maximum. Let's go. So we have here the armadillos. Please don't forget to turn off the fire camps. So as you can see, I attracted the zombie. The zombie will fall just because we have the trapdoors. If we don't have the trapdoors, this is not will work. So the zombie is on the boat. You can actually close the trapdoors and all will be good. So for me, it would be good to use a tag to name the zombie. That's pretty important for me, just for precautions. Good. Let's put the dumb zombie. And I will close here, right? So I will dig one block below just to finish my stuff here with the zombie. The zombie need to be in totally darkness, alright? If the zombie is not on darkness, you know what is gonna happen. So I dig down a little bit there and I put the zombie below. So that's basically how it works, the farm. So I'll put on the day and the zombies there, and as you can see, the armadillos are totally closed. Alright, so now we need light up. Let's light up the fire camps. So I'm doing just like that. As you can see, it's not too hard to light up the fire camps. So they are taking damage right now. Let's light up. That's it. So I get in here an infestation potion. That's a pretty easy potion to do. You just need a stone in a normal brewing stand with mundane. No, it's not mundane. It's acquired potion, I think. So you will use the nether fungus, nether wart into the water, and after the result you use simple stone to make this potion. So I make a little ladder here. I will throw to throw the. You need to put a gunpowder in the brew stand, and the potion will be throwable. So I throw the stuff, and the potion, as you can see, I'm hitting the silverfishes, and I enchanted this sword, and I start hitting, and I'm getting a lot of XP. As you can see, we have a lot of entities in this little block, and as the silverfishes coming in, we are hitting them. That's a lot of XP. As you can see, I'm getting a lot of them. Basically, is this. As you can see, we are in a good level, right? So let's make some decorations to our farm. I think this is important, right? We need a good farm, but the farm needs to look cool, look nice, right? Let's put some bone meal. Nature is good. It's always good. Nice. This is like a modern style for a farm. I think it's worked pretty well. Let's just put some more slabs here. Make some changes. That's good. Then guys, that's not a hard farm. As you can see, the most difficult item to get here was the tag. The other items we can get easy. Zombies is easy to find, and armadillos you can find on badlands and savannas. That's pretty easy, it's not hard at all. And quartz is the construction block. You can use any kind of block, but remember, the center of the farm needs to be built in glass. This is pretty important. We don't want problems with stone and infestation. Man, I did this one time. It was pretty bad. I killed all my armadillos in the process. The zombie caused me some trouble. That was pretty bad, actually. So I'm just make some changes here in the lighting, just to look like better. That's good. This is a simple farm. Yes, that's good. That's good, guys. So I will make another decoration here. Redstone torch to be like symbolizing something different. Just because it's head, I think it's cool. Or the decoration. That's it, guys. That's the farm. The nicest XP farm you see in your life. It's easy. It's almost early game. It's not hard. So enjoy.